Hi and welcome to another video. Today we'll be making this analog clock, which also has a dark side or dark UI. You can say. Let's start with index.html file and a style.css file, and let's first change the title. Basically, analog dark UI clock, and let's start with creating a div of class clock, and inside the clock we will have a class of or. Basically we will have or minutes and second. Inside or we will create the keys for the clock, for the or key, for the minute key, and for the second key. Now for the minute key, also give an id of mn, and also creating a class of second for the second key, for the second needle, you can say. And let's connect our css with index.html with our HTML file, and relation style sheet. Let's put href afterwards. And so now we have connected our style.css, and now let's open it. Now basically let's start off by the basics. We're giving a margin of 0, a padding of 0 as well, a box sizing of border box, now giving a border body of display flex, justify content center, align items also center, min height of 100 vh, and a background of hash 091921. Okay, now if I refresh, you can see how it's giving. I have a background of dark theme. Now let's start with the dot clock class and give it a width of 350 pixel, and this is basically the main clock width and height, and we will give it a display of flex, justify content center, align items also center, and give it a background of our URL, basically for the image, for where all the icons are. The image will be in the description. You can download them from the description. This is the image basically, and give it a box size of cover, and you can download the image from the description. Now giving a border of 4 pixel solid, and giving it a dark theme color, you can see, and giving it a box shadow as well for 0, minus 15 pixel, 15 pixel, RGBA 255, 255, 255, and an opacity of 0.05. Okay, and let's give it an inset and copy this and paste it here. Basically I'll need it 3 times, so copy again and paste and paste. Let's now change the values, remove the inset for the bottom as well. Give this one the value of 0, 0, 0 and 0 0.05, 0, 0, 0 and 0 0.05 opacity. Okay, now I remove the minus 15 because I'm basically giving it all in all directions. You can see that how the border is given on all direction, on all the 4 sides. The top and bottom are similar, and left and right are similar. Now give it a box radius of circular because I need 50%, because I need the watch to be circular. And you can change the opacity, or you can change the values. It's up to you basically what do you want. I will just make it what I have shown. You can see how it is more different or rounded. Basically the shadow is different from the at the bottom instead of top. Now give it a clock of before, content empty, position of absolute, width of 15 pixels, height of 15 pixels as well, and a background of hash FFF white background, and a border radius basically of 50%, and a Z index of 10,000. Now you can see I am getting a circle at the middle. Okay, now let's go to the or thing. Dot clock dot or and dot clock dot minute. Basically I'm taking all 3, minute, or and second. You can see from here. Okay, now clock dot minute, second, sorry, and now give it a position of absolute. Minute. Okay, now we will give clock. I will show you an or and HR. You can see that the or has a subclass of HR. I'm taking that needle because this will basically be the needle of the clock, of OR's clock needle. Give it a width of 160 pixels and height of 160 pixels as well. Now let's copy this and do the same for minute and second. Now give it our a minute mn for the needle of minutes, and I'll change the width and height to 190 pixels. And now let's copy it again and give it for the do it for the second as well, SC, you can see here, and give it a width of 230 and a height of 230 pixels as well. Now okay, now I have basically I have made the length of the needles, but I will change it here for the hour, minute and second. Let's give it a display of flex, justify content center, because I think I want three of them to be center, line item center as well. And now before HR before, I forgot a bracket, HR before, and give it a content of empty. Basically you will see the needles in a second. Absolute position absolute, width of 8 pixels, height of 80 pixels, and a background of HFF105E, a pinkish color, Z index of 10, and a border radius for the top. Basically this will change the top of the needle, 6 pixels 0 0, and you can see I am getting a needle, but you can see that the needle is not at the, should start from the circle or the white color. I'll change it. Let's remove the line items, and you can now see that where is the needle. Now I'll also give the position of absolute and a border of radius of 50% maybe, and you can see how it becomes circular from the top. Basically it will happen from all of these for the hour, minute and second. Now let's start with the minutes and change the height and width, and now you can see I am getting a minute needle as well, and give it a white color maybe, the needle, and the Z index of 11 you can see. Okay, now let's copy it and let's paste it again, and for the second let's change the width and height as well as the index. For the height give it maybe same, or width of 2 and height of 150 maybe, it should be a bigger, and give it a Z index as well, Z index of 12. Okay, now you can see I am getting all three of my needles. But now let's do the script, write the JavaScript for it, because I need the watch to be running. I will give type of text JavaScript and give const of degrees, because the needle rotate at a certain degree and should be 6. Give it a HR for the OR, give it a, let's take the OR needle from hash here. You can see that I have given an ID of HR. Sorry, I did not, I think I created, but let's add an ID of HR and ID of second as well. Lord, give it a const, let's copy this, paste it 3 times for the minute and second, and RMN for second, MN for SC, and oh, that should be a CSC. Okay, now let's let a day and get new date. New date basically gives us the date and time for the, it is basically a JavaScript built-in function, and we will get day.get hours. It is a function, predefined function of JavaScript, and multiply it with 30. is for the days, day.get minutes, and multiply it with 30 as well, and let a second degree, we will multiply with degree. Let's copy it, paste it, give it a second, SCSS, or maybe whatever you want, and get seconds. Okay, now let's hr.style.transform equals these are the back, you must remember these are backslash, back, you can say apostrophe or whatever, back semicolon, I don't know what it is, back commas maybe. Rotate Z hash HH divided by 12. Let me check. I think I forgot the curly brackets. Yes, adding the curly brackets. Okay, now also adding degree to it. Now let's copy it and paste it 3 times, or do it with a minute. And what do we need to do with a minute? Okay, minute only should not have or, so let me let's copy it and paste it again and give it as SS for the second and SS for second as well. Now let's copy it and I will show you. Basically this is elements are where you can see the certain different type of clock thing, but we'll go to sources index.html and I will see where I am getting my error. Okay, I am getting my error on new date. There should be a space between new date or you write as a date and or 25/30. There should be new. Yes. Yes, there should be new date, and you can see that how the clock is now working. But basically the OR head is working, but the other two are not. So let me check. I will add the set interval first, and I will have to copy everything. Oops. And paste it. This is basically an arrow function. Basically, I think I did something wrong there. Okay, let's undo and okay, now let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, see, now you can see that the second watch is also working and minute hour is also working. Everything is basically now working. It's 11 o'clock and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.